Good morning, folks. This is Greg Judy, Green Pastures Farm. We're getting ready to do a cattle move up the hill. This bull's he's having a great time. He's working on this little knob right here of dirt. He had his head down there, just got dirt all over his head. And he's being a bull. He's having a great time here in front of these cattle. I think he's showing off. He is a dude. My gosh. That's the way I like him. Short, thick, slick-hided, and he is a breeding machine. Oh, here's a good one right there. Yeah, nothing wrong with that bull either. There's several cows in heat here this morning. I see them riding each other. There you go. You're going to get up. He's right here at the front of the herd, and I think the guys are ready to go, so we've got them all packed in here. We got a few baby calves. Wanted to make sure we got them caught up, but I see the guys coming out there, so we're good to go. And I'm going to open this wire, and we're going to have us a drive shooting up this hill. If I can get the... Got to get the wire off. There we go. Sorry about all this for you all that have vertigo. I'll stop here in a minute, but here we go. Woo! It's crazy how quickly they come through here. And they've got a pretty good bluff there to climb to get up that hill. What's amazing to me is the water that's flowing on our farm. Look at this. This is a riffle. We haven't had a rain for a good while. My God, there's water coming down this creek. I've never seen that before. Look at that. So we're catching the rainwater, compliments of the cattle, trampling all the carbon on the land. We're catching the rainwater. We're not giving it to our neighbors. Okay? It's not how much rain you get, it's how much rain you keep. You're going to grow more grass, you're going to be able to run more livestock, and the livestock are going to grow you more grass. It's just a perpetuating thing. Look at this. Cows are going to a fresh paddock this morning, man, they are pumped and ready. But you look at these cattle, they're in good shape. Oh, look at that bull. Man, that is a dandy right there. We're going to be selling some of these here coming up end of August. We've already got our first bunch pretty much sold. And we'll be having another batch here probably in September, October. But look at these guys. They are really, really going to town. Even the little baby calves, they get used to it. Usually when you cross a creek, they'll hang up a little bit, but with mother going up the hill, they're going to go with the mom. They're packed on this hillside. They're still coming. There's quite a few back here yet to get across, but this cow here is like, I'm going to get a drink before I climb that hill. I don't blame you. She's like, I'm going to get where I'm not stepping at. Look at that. She wants her a good, clean drink of water. I don't blame her. The cattle are all full this morning. We came in here. They moved them last night onto a hill paddock here, and they're all filled up. They're laying underneath trees, just packed into plum thickets. Got a lot of plum thickets back here, and those cows are packed in there like sardines. Probably trying to escape the fly pressure. Oh, there's a big old fat steer going up the hill there. He's not ready. Folks, this is Greg Judy signing off, and everyone have a great weekend, and we'll see you down the road.